Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Zero Electric SRS. This is the full fairing supersport, 15.6 kilowatts of power. It's also upgradable with the Cypher system. Only 517 miles on this high performance electric sport bike, 140 foot-pounds of torque. We're talking instant acceleration, beautiful showroom condition, only 517 miles. Come on by, save thousands over the price of new. Price to sell for $21,695. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Beautiful condition. Silent belt drive automatic transmission. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.